what's up all you beautiful places out there? I'm Mr. Inferno with
Red Guy LV, and we're checking out the grinder. So, okay. Where's the grinder?
Oh wait,
Nope, I don't see the grinder.
you'll see it. Go down to like the crops and things. Go to the
Oh, I
crop,
see it.
Click on it.
First of all, steak. What is this?
It's where like mobs spawn and you can do stuff. Kill stuff.
Gold!
Oh yeah,
It's
that
a gold
too.
drop. Oh my god, I got so much gold already. People's giving us gold, sweet. I think I saw Kako playing this eventually. Oh no, what is the
I'm
company?
stealing people's golds.
Do you sell these gold?
I don't know. I don't know why this guy's giving me all of his gold though, and I have a lot of gold. Hey.
Alright, so we should, like,
dude, this one dude just took a bunch.
Wait, can you make blocks with this? No. No, that's my gold. Okay, it doesn't look like there's like that much limits on this server. Like you could do pretty much whatever you want. It's like pretty much normal Minecraft. You can't break whatever you want. Sorry, but you're not allowed to break that block here. Oh, here. Enchantment tape.
Oh, see how that says that down there below?
Yeah.
Where are you?
I'm in this house thing in the middle.
Oh, in the middle? Oh, okay. Yes, so you know how it says like 33% and 44% for me? 44% for you and 33% for me at the bottom?
Yeah.
Yeah, that is the...
I find it weird. You were just holding gold while I was holding iron. You were iron is actually a lot better than gold.
Look at my inventory.
Like gold actually is like a pickaxe. A gold pickaxe mines faster than a diamond pickaxe, but the durability is just horrible.
Yeah. How do I sell this stuff now? Or what do I do with it?
I mine instruments. Oh dang it! I was just trying to hit someone. Oh god! Imagine if I accidentally hit that person. I really be mad at myself. Oh, my hunger. What the heck? The server is currently offline. We're starting. Oh, sorry,
the proxy had to reset.
Oh, sorry, everyone. Well, come back.
We're on. Where it's on. You're on.
Oh. Oh, hang on. I just got. Oh.
Yeah, the proxy had to restart.
Is it not working for you?
I don't know. It's not. I don't think it's working for me. So.
All right. We'll come back when it's working.
Yeah, because you're glitching.
Working.
As well.
Okay.